Wishing everyone a very, very happy evening. Wishing you a terrific Tuesday, in fact. We will just wait for the viewers to come in and begin. Wishing everyone a very, very happy evening. Wishing you all a terrific, terrific Tuesday. It's so wonderful when someone messaged me today that Nidhi, the Tuesdays are actually becoming like a terrific Tuesday. Happy evening Raju Bhai, happy evening Narendra. It was wonderful to receive the message that Tuesdays are actually becoming like a terrific Tuesday because the sessions are there. And so many people have messaged me that their health is becoming better. They are feeling much lighter. They've started exercising. One person told me that he is able to actually feel so much more independence right now. So thank you so much. So this is Dr. Nidhi, co-founder at Miraya Center along with my sister Megha and founder at Miraki Holistic Wellness. Thank you so much Global Insurance, Dr. Pratima, Rakhi, Roshni, so many people from the global team who have wholeheartedly supported and every day are giving such amazing sessions which are benefiting so many people across the globe. I have people who message me even from New Jersey that they have been watching the sessions and it's really making so much impact on them. So thank you so much and thank you to each one of you for being here and attending this session Tuesday after Tuesday. And you know, almost Monday I get messages that looking forward to a terrific Tuesday evening. So thank you so much. So today is a very, very important topic because I feel it's the need of the hour. So right now the lockdown, yes, has been extended till 31st May. Even when we get back to work, things are going to be different. You know, there is going to be a certain level of anxiety within each one of us that, you know, it could be financial, it could be related to our health, it could be related to the children's future. Like I had a patient, one of my, you know, kid patient, and the mom was telling me that Dr. Nidhi, right now he is fed up of looking at the screen actually and doing online sessions, you know, in school or even when it comes to yoga or exercises. And she actually got him to my center and said that I'm so happy that he is able to meet you at least. So I think all of us are now longing to meet each other. But till then, at least we have this platform to connect over and I'm really grateful for that. So let's begin with, you know, today's two things we are going to cover. One about the very, very important hormone in our body called as the cortisol. And second, we are going to learn an amazing technique called as the Silva meditation technique that takes us into alpha state of healing. In this state, we experience deep relaxation and it also helps us to manifest our goals. It's actually magical, very, very easy to apply. So I want to know first from all of you. So suppose from 0 to 10, 10 is when you're feeling absolutely on top of the world. You know, your health is okay, you're feeling absolutely stress-free, happy. 0 is when you're feeling so low that you don't even want to like get out of bed right now or talk to anyone. So I want to know from all of you from 0 to 10, how are you feeling right now? Are you at a 5? Is there anyone who's at a 10 or a 9 or an 8? And just be honest, you know, this is just to be real basically. So even if you're feeling below 5, it's absolutely okay. But just keep messaging me, how are you all feeling today? That's awesome. Narendra has written that he's feeling 9 on 10, which is fabulous, Narendra. Excellent. This absolutely shows not only like it shows the way you're emotionally taking it, mentally taking the whole thing. You also message me that you've been taking much better care of your health right now. It's amazing to be 9. And Rajubhai has written 10 on 10. Rajubhai, that's absolutely fabulous. Very, very inspiring. It means even Dr. Pratima has written that she's feeling 10 on 10. So this is what happens. Someone has written a 2. It's okay. It's absolutely okay. In fact, it's so good to be real and to accept where we are. That's why I asked you all to rate. Because there are some people who are feeling 3, 4, but they are feeling very shy or even inhibited to speak about it. They feel that no, if I tell someone, they may judge us. Nikki has written 7. Amazing, Nikki. That's also good, a good space to be in, and that way we know that how can we progress further. So it's very, very good to be honest, to accept our feelings right now. That itself helps a lot in the hormone cortisol. So Dr. Pratima has also written she's feeling on top of the world, which is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So for me, as I keep mentioning, in fact, Narendra told me that because of you keeping on repeating that it's not a lockdown, but opening up of possibilities, he is also feeling that so much has opened up. So it's very, very beautiful to keep changing the shift. You know, my sister Megha always says, let's spread cheer and not fear. And I would love to say, let's look at this not as a lockdown, but opening up of possibilities. Raju Bhai has written something wonderful. Life is for me flowing with the flow, which is wonderful, wonderful. It shows a very, very positive attitude. Some people have written 5, which is also absolutely okay. At least we know what space are we in and how much do we need to work to get ourselves even more peaceful. So let's begin the topic. Number 1, I will speak to you all about the hormone cortisol. Now the hormones are something which are very, very important in the body. They are chemicals which is totally responsible for our mood, our motivation, the passion we feel for life, you know, our attitude towards life. Now cortisol is one of the most crucial hormone. This is also called as the stress hormone. So whenever we are in a stressful situation, for example, it could be even loss of a loved one, or we feel a sense of financial insecurity, or we've had, you know, a very, very bad fight with someone and we are feeling very stressed about it. That is the time the kidneys, there are adrenal glands in the kidney which produce a hormone called as cortisol. These are stress hormone. So when we are under stress, automatically these hormones get released in our body much more because they help us to fight with stress. Now what happens is when we are in these kind of situations like COVID, where it's an extended time, it's been, you know, more than 2 months with the lockdown, many people are frustrated, they don't know what's going to come ahead and very anxious about the future too. Automatically this hormone cortisol gets continuously in a high level in the body. Now we all need to know that why this becomes high. So we can, even if we are feeling super, like 10 on 10, but we can always help so many people around us as a leader to take charge and actually reduce this cortisol, which will make you feel much more peaceful. Now please remember, when the cortisol is very high, what happens to the body? One, so you know, very often people are telling me that doctor, even though we are working much lesser right now, we are all the time feeling fatigue. Are any of you feeling like this? Please share with me. So what happens is when cortisol is high, we feel fatigue, we get bruised very easily. For ladies, it could also be irregular periods that happen. Many people are not able to sleep well right now. So there could be also a sleep disturbance that happens. All this is signs that your cortisols are constantly remaining high right now. There could also be increased urination, lack of sleep I spoke about. Some people could get headache. There could be a sense of low, a feeling of depression. All these are signs that your cortisol is very high right now and you are in a state of constant stress. That's the reason we are experiencing these symptoms. Not only now, my friends, even later, this will impact our life. Hence, it's very, very important that no matter what situation we are in, all of us are here to help each other, and there are some wonderful ways to reduce the cortisol level. So are you all ready to listen to this and make your life even better? Flow with life, reach 10 on 10, help so many others reach 10 on 10. So if you all are ready, just type yay in the comment section. It would be wonderful to have some interaction with all of you. I'm really missing meeting people now. So as you all keep commenting, I will go forward. Super Raju Bhai, he's written yes. So whoever is feeling excited to make their health better and to reach out to people, write yay with an exclamation mark. It will be wonderful. Or you all can put lots of love so I know that you are ready. Now it's very, so basically again, I always love teaching in the form of acronym. It's very easy for people to remember. So today we will look at the acronym PEACE. P-E-A-C-E, because that's the opposite of stress. So if we don't want to feel stress, instead of saying that, let's say that I want to feel very, very peaceful today. So wonderful. Nikki, Narendra, Dr. Pratima, all of you, Pooja Gupta is saying yay. I'm so happy that people from different cities have logged in today and are participating so enthusiastically. So this is awesome. In fact, someone messaged me today morning that all the best for your FB live show. And I actually felt like some superstar. So it's a beautiful feeling to be with all of you. So let's find out the ways. Okay, so number one, peace. So first comes P. Now P is for probiotics, prebiotics. So I have spoken a lot about nutrition. Today we'll go a little deeper into this entire thing of probiotic. Now probiotics are something that contain good bacteria. When we take a lot of good bacteria in our intestine, automatically there are the cortisol levels reduce. Hence, what are the examples of probiotics? They are readily available. Now, number one is the curd, your yogurt. This can be made at home also. You can even buy it from outside. There is something called Greek yogurt. Take the one without sugar. It will be much better for you. So, I'll put this down in the comment section. You all need not mug it up, or you all can make notes. It's up to you. So, the first one is yogurt. Then there is Greek yogurt, which you get as these small boxes, and you can actually take it along with your meals. All these are probiotics. They greatly help to reduce the cortisol levels in our body. Then we have there are probiotic. Number one is yogurt, Greek yogurt. There is something called kefir. Some of you may have heard, some of you may not. It's KEFIR. This is available at Nature's Basket. I think you can even order it online, and it's excellent. It has when you drink it only, it has these live bacteria and you feel so zingy from inside. You will suddenly feel alive about life when you take these. So it's wonderful. So you can find out, it's called kefir. Then there is something called as kombucha. This can be made at home, or you get bottles outside also. You can take that. Then we have apple cider vinegar. I think I have spoken about this maybe in this for global, that apple cider vinegar has to be taken with mother culture. So on the bottle you will see apple cider vinegar with mother culture. That is the one to pick up. You mix a little bit of water, lemon. You can also mix jaggery or honey, and also remember to mix 1 teaspoon of isabgol into the apple cider vinegar. This can be taken after lunch, after dinner. It makes a huge difference, huge. So please take apple cider vinegar. Another probiotic is called as sauerkraut or kimchi. This is nothing but fermented cabbage. So if you look up on the YouTube, you can even make this, or you get even ready-made bottles and you can use that also. So this is the main thing when it comes to reducing the cortisol. Then of course your fruits, dry fruit, nuts, lemon, all this will help also. But very important is to take probiotic. Yes, kombucha, correct Dr. Pratima. So this is a excellent. So when you take probiotics, you give your gut a lot of healthy bacteria. This will also help you to lose weight. I think that's the magic word, right? I remember for my session on belly fat, I had like the maximum interaction, with people. So yes, so please remember the probiotics will also help you to lose weight and become fitter. Then second one is E. E is for what? Very simple, exercise. So in exercise, remember that right now, since there is a little bit of anxiety within most people, don't do very strenuous exercises right now. It's better to do a little more moderate to light exercise. So, if your society allows you, just go for a stroll, or you can also, just do a yoga with a yoga instructor online. With a physiotherapist, you can just do gentle stretching. You can do core muscle program. All that will help a lot right now. So I would really advise you, instead of very heavy exercises, which also cause a bit of inflammation, it's much better right now to do a little light to moderate workout like yoga. You can do stretches, you can do core muscle training, you can do a lot of breathing. So the second E is for exercise. So the first one, P, was for probiotics. Second one is E. All this is going to reduce the cortisol levels. Now the third one is A. This is the alpha state, which I'm going to take later because this involves the Silva method. So this I'm going to take later. Now then we have C. C is what? conversations with people, connection with people. It's very, very important right now to talk to your loved ones. There are times when even I feel a bit low, and as soon as I talk to my parents or my sister, or just connect with just tell my husband how I'm feeling, immediately I start feeling better. So please do not hesitate to call up a friend, to call up a loved one, and just express what you are feeling. There is nothing wrong. Very often when it comes to physical health, we are ready to take advice. If my shoulder is aching, I will go to a physio. If I'm, maybe getting some stomach issue, I will immediately run to a doctor. But when it comes to our mental well-being, very often we hesitate to take help. Please type a yes if you agree to this. Are any of you a little hesitant to take help when it comes to mental as opposed to physical? Let's be honest, the more and more real. In fact, I think this is one of the best phases for humanity to become more real. We were so much living in pretense. This is the time to be real with each other, to be there for each other. So if you are Rupali has written stretches and breathing, wonderful, that will help a lot. And if you are feeling that, yes, Narendra has honestly written that sometimes when it comes to our mental health, we are not readily, very ready to take help. Whereas if it's for the body, we feel, yeah, I'm going to a physio, I'm going to a doctor. But please remember, the mental health will affect your physical health also. So please reach out to people. So the C is for conversation, for communication, for connection. It's beautiful to connect to your loved ones. In fact, yesterday all of us cousins, we just got onto a Zoom call. We played Taboo, Pictionary. It was so much fun that half an hour just laughing with each other, being ourselves, because these are the people we've grown up with. And it's so much fun. So this is the time actually to connect to people who don't judge you, who just accept you and love you for the way you are. This could be your school friends, college friends, your cousins, the so-called chuddy buddies who we've grown up with. And I'm telling you that half an hour masti that we did with my cousins, it was so refreshing for me. It's one of the best ways to reduce your cortisol level. So P is for probiotic. E is for exercise, which is more light to moderate exercise. A is for alpha states, which we are going to talk later. C is for connection, communication. It's very, very important to do that right now. And the last E is for enjoyment. So who likes to enjoy themselves? And I would love to know in what. I actually go back and read all the comments because they are so special to me. And I make sure that by next day or that night only I answer all the queries, because this really means a lot to me. So please write to me the ways that you are enjoying right now in the lockdown. Maybe the way you're enjoying can help so many people. And if you're enjoying, just put love or like, so I know that you all are enjoying yourselves during the lockdown period. And also share some ideas which will be useful to others also. So Nikki has written she practices spiritual breathing, Brahma Vidya, healthy food habits, which is keeping her peaceful. That's wonderful to know, Nikki. So rest of you, Raju bhai, I would love to know how you are enjoying and you are remaining 10 on 10 right now. Okay, so basically the last E is for enjoy. This means, as I spoke earlier, that connect to your loved ones. Also, if you can do, like I was just going to say that, Narendra, that if you can take up a hobby that you have not done for many years, it would be beautiful right now to take up things like reading. It could be painting. Like yesterday I really wanted to paint. I just saw the summer sky and it was so beautiful, so clear. It was just amazing. And I just felt like painting. I didn't get down to it, but I am going to soon do it. I used to paint so much in school days. There are some people are writing amazing techniques like Scrabble with family, meditation, having a great time with family. Shubham has written she's enjoying singing, painting. That's wonderful, Shubham. In fact, singing is one of the best ways to reduce the cortisol levels. So it's beautiful if you're singing. And my husband also loves singing. So, he just keeps singing around. It's beautiful. Dr. Pratima has written cooking lovely food to my loved ones, which is super. So please do these. These are the things that will greatly help you to reduce the cortisol levels, and it's wonderful. So please do these things. I'm going to repeat again because some people, Kavita Agarwal, Naina auntie, they've just joined in. So for your benefit, I'm going to just repeat what I spoke just in a brief nutshell. Basically, we are talking about reducing the cortisol level. Cortisol is a stress hormone which gets aggravated when we are under stress. Right now, many of us consciously or subconsciously are in a certain frame of stress. So it's very important to reduce this cortisol. It will also help us to lose weight. It's wonderful. This cortisol is a magical hormone. It can help us to lose weight. It will help us to feel more energized. It also tones up the muscles. So I am feeling nowadays that my core muscles are much stronger, because I'm doing so much more meditation, so much more pranayam, that it's helping me a lot right now. So this is the time actually to reduce the cortisol. This will help a lot. Also watching good movies, just going for a light walk with the family, all this can make a huge difference. So I'm going to just repeat the 5 things that are helping in reducing the cortisol. We've made it into an acronym PEACE. PEACE, which is the opposite of stress. So let's know how we can feel more peace. The P was for probiotics. The probiotic examples are yogurt, Greek yogurt, kefir, kombucha, apple cider vinegar and sauerkrauts. These can all be taken after your lunch, after your dinner. They are excellent for digestion to happen. They also immediately reduce the cortisol levels. Now the second E is for exercising, which we spoke about. Don't do very heavy exercise during this phase. I would say that go into a little lighter workout. It helps a lot. And then A is for alpha states of healing, which I'm going to talk about at the Silva method. Then comes C, which is your communication, conversation, connection with people. So it's very important to stay connected with your loved ones, people who make you laugh, people who make you happy. You can put the C also as chuddy buddies. You know, we use this phrase for people who know us from childhood, and no matter how we are, you know, whether we laugh at something stupid, whether, you know, we talk to them about the worst thing that we've done in life, but they just love us so much. Vishnu Priya has written something beautiful. Watching your live session makes me happy. Thank you so much. So C is for communication, it's for connection, and the last E is for enjoy. Very important. In fact, laugh for no reason. Yesterday, I think I was laughing in the evening, and it made me feel so energized. I wanted to work even more today. So it's very important to laugh. It's very important to giggle. Watch a movie, watch some silly songs, it doesn't matter. There are Shmool, TikTok, do random, stupid, crazy stuff, it doesn't matter. But just go mad right now, because we really need to keep the cortisol low. This will help us to tide over this phase in a very beautiful way. So Raju Bhai has written something beautiful. A message from my source of faith that makes my day top and stay flow with the flow. Beautiful. So whenever you receive messages from higher sources, that can also totally motivate us. So this was peace, which will definitely make you reduce your cortisol levels. Laughing for no reason, truly beautiful feeling. Absolutely, Kavita. I experienced this so many times with my cousins. We go mad. There is no reason. We are just looking at each other and laughing. Makes so much of a difference. So please right now be like small children. In fact, I think this is the lesson that we need to learn. We all had started taking ourselves so seriously. So now let's move on. There is just 5 minutes. I didn't realize I spoke a lot today about the cortisol part. So the last 5 minutes we are going to talk about the Silva method. Now the Silva method has been originated maybe in the 1960s, and the research was happening during 1940s by a person called Jose Silva. Very intelligent, very intuitive human. Now it's very simple. Basically our brain waves, they are divided into different categories. One of them is the alpha state. The first one is the beta state. That is the state that we are in during the waking hours. So right now I'm definitely in beta, because I have to be aware, I have to be alert. I'm, you know, talking to you all, communicating with you all. So that is the beta level, which we all need for functioning. Then comes the alpha state, which is that little more relaxed state. It's like a wonderful state to be in. You feel happy during this phase. This is the phase when you can manifest a lot of your dreams into reality. Then comes your theta, which is even deeper than alpha. This is excellent, excellent. So this, when you go into that theta healing, a lot of the inner healing can happen. You will feel rejuvenated. In fact, during theta healing, many people who set an intention that I want this to happen, it's unbelievable how it happens in theta state. And the last one is the delta, which is the sleeping state. So this is when we are in that deep state. Maybe there are dreams also. So these are the 4 states. Beta, which is the waking, the consciousness. Right now I'm talking to you all, I'm in beta. Then comes alpha, which is a little more deeper level of relaxation, where a person just feels relaxed out. Then comes theta, and then comes delta. So today we are going to talk about the alpha. So what Silva believed is that in the morning when we wake up, from the time we are getting up from bed to actually jumping out of bed, that is the time when our body is moving from delta and then theta and then alpha. Now before it goes into beta, which is you're totally aware, what are my kids doing, what is this, what should I make for breakfast? Before that is a state, alpha state. And in the morning, 5 minutes, we all experience this alpha state. It's a very powerful state. So it's excellent to deepen this. So what he suggests is, for 50 days, what you need to do is, first, I'll put it in the comment section, first 10 days, every morning, reverse count from 100 to 1. Next 10 days, reverse count from 50 to 1. Then the 10 days will be 25 to 1, then 10 to 1 and 5 to 1. Now if you all don't even want to do this, too much of this, just do this much. When you wake up, before you actually jump out of your bed, and get back to your routine, prolong this alpha state. It makes a huge difference. So maybe at that time you can just close your eyes, you can focus on your breathing. You can just reverse count from 10 to 1 also, if you don't want to do from 100 to 1, which is ideal, but it's okay if you want to just do from 10 to 1. Even that is absolutely fine. So this will help you to remain deeper into the alpha state. In this state, when you visualize something, there are very high chances it will just come into reality. So we have just about 2-3 minutes. Let's experience this together. So all of you just close your eyes. Let's go into an alpha state right now. Let's feel very relaxed, very peaceful, very happy, in a dreamy state. All of you close your eyes. 5 times I want you to take deep breaths. It can be a beautiful experience. So breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I actually opened my eyes in the middle, seeing that should I check if my students are doing well, and then I realize I'm on FB live. So basically it's very important to go into this alpha state. Breathing, connecting to our breathing is one of the best way. It's an amazing Silva method to remain in this alpha state of healing. Now just visualize a white color board. It should be huge. It should almost be 6 feet. And your eyes have to be little bit rolled upwards. This makes the brain produce alpha waves. So if you can just roll your eyeballs a little and imagine a white mental screen just in front of you, huge. It should be almost 6 feet. And just first begin with visualizing things that are simple. So just visualize a lovely ripe mango. Juicy mango. It's the summer season right now. And just visualize the orange color of the mango. You can even feel the smell of the mango. Feel the texture. And just visualize this mango on that entire white screen. Now visualize a favorite place of yours, like a holiday place, or maybe you're with your loved one right now having a cup of coffee. Something that you really love to do. Or maybe your puppy. Just visualize that right now. So erase the fruit and now visualize something that you love to do. It could be your favorite holiday destination. It could be a coffee with a loved one. And just visualize it with all the five senses. How are you feeling right now? What can you smell? What can you see? What are the colors around you? If need be, visualize a waterfall. Just visualize your favorite music in the background and feel more and more peaceful. In fact, if there is a smile on your face, it's beautiful, or just smile a little right now. Now erase this picture and on that mental white screen, huge screen like a projector, just visualize a certain goal that you want for yourself or for your loved ones. Maybe a certain job that you want to do, something that you want this COVID to end and the entire world to be healthy and peaceful. Anything. It could be for yourself, it could be for your loved ones, it could be a certain weight that you want to achieve, a wellness. It could be something for your children. Just visualize that now and make it deeper and deeper. Feel the colors coming alive. Imagine everyone so happy with this dream that you've achieved. How are you feeling? Can you smell some aroma? Maybe jasmine, maybe peppermint, maybe some pizza smell. And now, please count from 1 to 5 and tell yourself that I'm coming back into my waking state. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And very, very gently open your eyes. Wonderful. So this is the Silva method. Maybe next time, we can maybe make it deeper, this experience. I didn't have enough time today. So basically, this is tapping into the alpha state, which you can do every morning in that 5-minute period when you actually wake up and get out of bed. So you can either count backward from 100 to 1 or just 10 to 1. Focus on your breathing. First, it's easier to visualize things like mango or some fruits, something that we tangibly can see. Then you can visualize something more abstract like being with your loved ones, a cup of coffee, reading a book or a favorite holiday destination. And then you can visualize some dream, some goal. So just set that intention. And I'm telling you, I've seen so many things come true just by setting the intention in the alpha state. So it would be beautiful. So yeah, time is up. Thank you so much to each one of you. All your comments, your feedbacks mean so much to me. They actually motivate me to come back, and I feel such a wonderful connection. In spite of not meeting you all, just feel connected to you all. So stay tuned. See you all next Tuesday, and we can deepen this feeling. We can actually go deeper and deeper. In fact, think of a certain dream that you want to achieve, and next time we can go deeper, and let's all of us manifest the dream and actually make it come true. So thank you, and stay tuned. Stay safe, stay healthy. Please take care of your health. The body is the only vehicle we have to achieve any of our dreams. This phase will pass, but it's very important till then. 1, keep your cortisol levels under control, and for next 1 week, practice this alpha state. 5 minutes of waking up to actually getting up out of bed. Just practice it, and I'm telling you, you will actually start seeing things coming to reality. So thank you. Stay tuned. Loving you all so much.